Hey guys, what's up? This is Jailus Creatives and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create this amazing overlay text effect. So first, grab your text tool in your toolbar by pressing this icon or just press T. Now, just type anything you want. Click the move tool and just put your text to the center. After that, just drag your image above your text layer. Adjust the size, just drag this little button here and also here. And just click the move tool, right click to the image and create clipping mask. Basically, we're done. Now to adjust or reposition your image, just click inside the text and just move your image. If you want the same image as your background, just hold the Alt key in your keyboard and just drag it below your text layer. Now press Ctrl T on your keyboard to adjust the size. Just drag here and over here. Hit enter on your keyboard and just move your image. And that's it. That's how you create this overlay text effect. I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. Hit that like button and notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you on my next video.